So now you've created the big messy job, and now you have to clean the big messy job. Put a trash can under the table and just into the trash can. Just like so. I've got like my underpaper here too, and I'm just gonna gently into my trash can. Luckily, I need to vacuum today, so I'm not super worried about it. But yeah, the big messy job can be easily cleaned up. But look how tasty! Look how tasty! And the paper was torn. Oh, so deliciously torn and aged. The big messy job is going to get cleaned up. I'm going to start by brushing off all of this dried off coffee. Someone asked me if it was dirt. Nope, not dirt. Coffee. Although, if you are just really willing to literally get your hands dirty, potting soil, I bet, would make some really good aging utensils. And if you're wondering what that sound is besides the fan, I'm listening to Nemo's Dreamscapes. This is the one about the Titanic, the Titanic one. Love Nemo's. So yeah. Anyway. So yeah, we just brush off. Brush off. I brush you off.